Kangaroo. A kangaroo is a marsupial native to Australia that is known for its powerful hind legs, long tail, and the ability to hop. They are herbivores and are found primarily in the country's grasslands, woodlands, and savannas. The largest species of kangaroo is the red kangaroo. Female kangaroos have a pouch in which they carry and nurse their young, called joeys. The lifespan of a kangaroo in the wild is typically around 4 to 5 years, although some species have been known to live up to 8 years. In captivity, kangaroos can live up to 10 to 12 years with proper care. Factors such as predation, disease, and environmental conditions can affect their lifespan. Kangaroos are social animals and are often found in groups called mobs or troops. They are active during the day and night and feed mostly at dawn and dusk. They use their powerful hind legs to move quickly, and they can reach speeds of up to 60 km per hour when they need to escape danger. They are also excellent swimmers and can use their tails as rudders to steer in the water. Kangaroos use a variety of vocalizations and body language to communicate with each other. Males will often fight over mates by boxing with their front legs or grappling with each other using their tails. Female kangaroos will nurse their joeys in their pouches for several months before they are old enough to venture out on their own. In general, kangaroos are peaceful and avoid confrontation whenever possible, but they will defend themselves if necessary. They are an important part of Australia's ecosystem and play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their habitats. Here are some interesting facts about kangaroo life. Marsupials. Kangaroos are marsupials, meaning they carry their young in a pouch. The female kangaroo has a specialized pouch called a marsupium, in which she raises her young. Powerful legs. Kangaroos have powerful hind legs that allow them to move quickly and hop long distances. They use their tails for balance and support when jumping. Herbivores. Kangaroos are herbivores and feed mainly on grasses and shrubs. They have a specialized digestive system that allows them to extract the most nutrients from their food. Social animals. Kangaroos are social animals and live in groups called mobs or troops. They use a variety of vocalizations and body language to communicate with each other. Active at night and dawn. Kangaroos are active both during the day and night, but are most active at dawn and dusk. They use this time to feed and rest. Good swimmers. Kangaroos are good swimmers and have been known to swim across rivers and lakes to escape danger or find food. Role in the ecosystem. Kangaroos play an important role in the Australian ecosystem, helping to maintain the balance of their habitats by grazing on vegetation. They are also an important food source for predators such as dingoes and eagles. Kangaroos are herbivores and feed mainly on grasses and shrubs. They have a specialized digestive system that allows them to extract the most nutrients from their food. They are able to survive on low-nutrient vegetation because they are able to digest cellulose, which is abundant in plants. Kangaroos are opportunistic feeders and will feed on a variety of plants depending on their availability. They have a keen sense of smell and can locate food sources from far distances. They are most active during the cooler parts of the day, such as at dawn and dusk, when they will feed for several hours before returning to rest. In times of drought or other environmental stress, kangaroos may turn to other food sources, such as leaves, bark, and even crops in agricultural areas. They have been known to cause damage to crops, which has led to conflicts with farmers in some areas. However, they are also important for maintaining the balance of their habitats by grazing on vegetation and spreading seeds through their feces. The color of a kangaroo varies depending on the species, but the most common colors are gray, brown, and red. Gray kangaroos, also known as eastern grey kangaroos, are found in eastern and southeastern Australia and have a light to dark grey coat. Brown kangaroos, also known as western grey kangaroos, are found in Western Australia and have a brownish-grey coat that can range from light to dark. Red kangaroos are the largest species of kangaroo and are found in Central Australia. They have a reddish-brown coat that can range from light to dark. Kangaroos have a thick fur coat that provides insulation and protects them from the elements. Their fur helps to regulate their body temperature and provides camouflage, making it easier for them to blend in with their surroundings and avoid predators. Kangaroos are polygynous, meaning that males have multiple female partners. Mating occurs throughout the year, but is most frequent during the spring and summer months when food is abundant. Male kangaroos will compete for mating opportunities with other males, using their forelimbs to box or grapple with each other. The dominant male will then mate with the female. After mating, the female kangaroo has a gestation period of 30 to 36 days, during which time a single embryo develops. At birth, the joey is about the size of a jelly bean and crawls into the mother's pouch to continue its development. The female kangaroo has 2 uteri, which allows her to give birth to a new joey while still nursing the previous one. Female kangaroos are capable of having multiple partners and can store sperm for several years, allowing them to delay the development of a new embryo until the time is right. This strategy ensures that the mother has the resources and energy to raise her young successfully.